niyo mpamvu umubyeyi wanjye ndabivuze bazandike aruta umugore wanjye aciye akapfa nashaka undi, ariko mama nta wundi nabona. Sebyo tujye tuvugisha ukuri.
Akabura nikaboneka
kani nyina umuntu injangwe n'imbeba birarabikina, akabura nikaboneka ni nyina.
Hello class, I'm your new teacher and I'll be teaching you chemistry. And I hope you are all feeling supercalifragisticexpialidocious. And I have noticed that some of you have been squinting, which is not good, and it can also lead into solipsism that may anchorize your future. Anyway, before we start anything, I'm going to incubate and you're going to idiosyncrasy with me. Anyway, I need you to permadize yourself as I'm going to fisquandeng right now. So, as we start to squabalize the first topic, I need you all to be very squisberium with me. But before we go any deeper, does anyone have any questions?
Are you playing? What
mama yako kumba nisiganwe ry'amagare riri buze gusigama abantu imvune. Batipe bajyaga biruka mu bihugu byabo bakaba ba mbere, ariko bageze mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda rwose urabona ko ibintu byabayezwa amapapa. Mutipe aratwara igare akagenda akikubita hasi bigasaba ko musuko hinjekani y'amazi. Yebo no munyasuwede uyu nguyu yajyaga bu wa mbere iwabo. Reba nongo we nani imbaraga afite papa. Mpamvu bajya banga u Rwanda n'urw'imisozi igihumbi papa.